Wanna know how to generate images in Google AI Studio? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, what you can do is simply open up your favorite browser and type in aistudio.google.com. And once you're there, here you should be provided with this prompt right here. So this is your chat prompt. Now what you can do is simply on the left side hit towards generate media. That should be right here. Now once I've selected generate media, here you can see various medias that you can generate from. Video, the most popular right now, speech generation, image generation. Since you want to generate images, then simply select image generation. So now you can just simply generate it anything. Now once you're done, just simply select run, and now it will start generating. So it will go through some processes, and there you have it. Super simple and easy. It has generated in like around 10 seconds. That's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.